And Elizabeth, some folks already gathered in Seaside, right, Steve?
Yeah, that's correct, guys. Actually, we've had warm weather on the northern Oregon coast today. That spreads to the central and southern Oregon coast. This live look outside right now in Seaside, you know, it just had the temperature up there a moment ago, but I can tell you it's in the lower 80s on the northern end of the coast. You'll see 90 over there. Probably tomorrow and again on Sunday before it cools off. But look at that. That's beautiful. Wall-to-wall sunshine down there for you folks along the coast. But the heat is on in the Dalles, 101 degrees right now. Just a light southwest wind there as we look north and west up to Mount Adams in southern Washington. Okay, back here in the Rose City right now, bright sunshine. 91 degrees. That's going to start a run at many days above 90. Humidity 35%. West wind at 13. Notice that evening planner now staying in the 90s all the way through your 8 o'clock hour before we back it off into the 80s overnight. It's going to be slow to cool down. Winds are light across the area right now. You see that 13 in Portland, light down the southern end of the Willamette Valley, light along the coast. I don't see much wind coming up in the next 4 or 5 days. In fact, there's that 91 in Portland now, 92 Salem, 93 in Eugene, 60s, 70s, and 80s up there on the northern Oregon coast. There's an 88 at Chehalis. There's that 101 at the Dalles. And boy, the heat is really going to be excessive. There is an excessive heat warning over the entire region, Oregon, Washington, except for along the immediate southern and central coastline in Oregon coming up over the weekend. Okay, weather headlines. All-time record-setting heat wave begins tomorrow. We've been talking about this a lot. Temperatures Saturday, Sunday, and Monday between 105 and 110 degrees, and that's just in the western valleys, not to mention over on the central and east side of the state where temperatures will be pushing close to 115 by the time we get into Sunday and Monday. And I see 90s, guys, all the way through the 4th of July weekend. So all intents and purposes, this is going to be a record-setting heat wave. Okay, 72 to start you out at 7 a.m. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. We heat up quick. 104 in your 3 p.m. hour. I think we're going to top out around 106. Now, a lot of folks are going to be out in the river, so be careful out there. The Willamette's starting to warm up. It's into the lower 70s now. Clackamas 66, Columbia 66. So these temperatures have come up over the last month, so I feel a little better about those temperatures. No hypothermia situation setting up there. Okay, temperature ranges. This is what we're looking at here. We're seeing our low to mid 90s today. Then we're going to go, these are models, by the way, for Portland. 103 to 107 on Saturday, so we've got a range to pick from. But look at this on Sunday. This is some of the latest data that just came in. Anywhere between 107 and 113. I think we repeat that again on Monday. Sort of a toss-up as to whether Sunday will be the warmest day of this heat wave or on Monday. Okay, one thing we do know out there along the coast, we're going to go 80s on Saturday, maybe close to 90 in the northern Oregon coast. They'll touch 90 or just above on Sunday. Overnight low is just in the 60s. This is a big ridge of high pressure that's responsible for it. This ridge has been building the last several days. Record-setting heat wave. Now, I've been here my whole entire life, nearly 50 years, and I've never seen a setup quite as significant as this. And then on Saturday and Sunday, we pull some of that warm air up over the Cascades and down into Portland. That is the perfect setup to challenge or exceed the 107-degree record set back in 1981. Look at this, Saturday, latest model data just coming in, 107 perhaps on Saturday. Now this is one model. I take a blend of all of the models. This model also saying 112 on Sunday. Not sure it's going to quite be that hot, but look at that overnight low, just 80 or so, Sunday night into Monday. And again, this Monday, again, one model, not a blend of the models, but one particular model that shows excessive heat coming up. You see that in the 7-day forecast. I'll go record heat tomorrow, 106. I want to talk about that 106. 102 is the all-time record for June, so we're going to smash that record for June on Saturday. Then Sunday, all-time record, I'll go 110. Monday, all-time record again, tied 110. Either one of these days could be 109, 110, maybe 111. And then Tuesday, some cooling the next couple of days after that. But then we're looking ahead to the 4th of July weekend. I see a continuation of the 90s, guys.
Yeah, you know, you say historic, Steve. This will be the weekend we will talk about for years to come and say, you know, we remember when we hit that record heat wave on the weekend in 2021 in June. I mean, this is how historic this is going to be.
And it's interesting that we're doing it in June because we have the ability to repeat something like this later on in the summer months. And I want to keep an eye on that one right there as well. The all-time warmest record low in Portland, so warm overnight low, is 74, set back in 2009. You remember that big heat wave where we had 3 days over 100. that would be a new record there as well. So we're breaking records all over.
All right. Thank you, Steve. Well, coming up, we're talking